Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make stickers in Canva. Now, for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and basically create a new design right here. And I'm going to go ahead and use something that is in box. So I'm going to customize this one. And we're going to choose 1080 by 1080 picture in here. Now, let's go ahead and proceed. So when you are going to open the design here and say look for stickers, you can actually look and use a lot of sticker options in here. But we're going to go ahead and create a new one for today. So to do that, hit the elements here, and I'm going to proceed by adding a circle in here. So let's just go ahead and zoom this out a little bit, just like so. And then here we're going to make this bigger. Hopefully we want to fill everything in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click that one and then change the color of this one. Let's go ahead and change it to, all right, maybe this one. Okay, so from here you can go ahead and add elements. If you want to add text, you can click this one and then go ahead and try to look for some options here. So I'm going to go ahead and add here sample or sticker. So let's go ahead and add that, and then go ahead and click this one in order for you to choose a different kind of font. So I'm going to use this lazy dog font here, and then we're going to go ahead and make this bigger. All right, it's big, and now it's time to center it. So that's the first thing. Now, if you want to say, for example, add some element, you can definitely do that one. I'm gonna go ahead and add something first. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another circle. So I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. So basically, the reason why I'm doing that one is for us to be able to add some sort of background in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain it to you in a second, or show it to you in a second. Let's just go ahead and change the color of this thing, this one, and then we're going to add a border. Click this border right here. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. We're going to change the color of the border to white. Open the border once again. All right, so maybe something like that. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, we are now able to add a border. Now let's go ahead and start adding something. So go to elements, and then here in the elements, you can go ahead and basically look for whatever you want to add here. So let's just go ahead and try to make along with the line of sticker. So try to search something here. Okay, this one, for example. Now this one is a GIF, by the way, but you can definitely change this one, or find something that is not moving. So I'm going to go ahead and add it here. And since we are now into like musical notes, you can go ahead and find something here like music. All right, something that we can add, or you can use this one, by the way. Let's go ahead and delete that one. Okay, click the sticker, and then we're going to go ahead and change the layer of this one. So we're going to go ahead. All right, here I'm gonna go ahead and click position, layers, and then we're going to put this one behind the text. There you go. And yeah, I think I'm satisfied. Once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and export this one, share, download. You can go ahead and choose PNG. And also, if you have, say for example, a pro account in Canva, you can hit transparent background in here in order for you to download just the sticker itself, and the background remain nothing in there. Okay, so go ahead, share, download, and then click download once again. Now, if you're going to open it, you should be able to see here your brand new sticker. And that, everybody, is how you're going to create a sticker using Canva.